Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2005 Ford E350 conversion van. Customer called and said that they were having a coolant leak, but they couldn't quite figure out where it was coming from. We said, yeah, bring it down. We'll take a look at it. We were able to get the doghouse off. Some of these vans with the engine being way underneath of there, it can be a little hard to see what's going on. We put the cooling pressure tester on there to simulate the vehicle's cooling system under pressure. Sure enough, as soon as we did that, we saw that the leak was coming from the intake manifold. These particular vehicles have a plastic intake manifold, and after time, they can fail and crack and cause some of these coolant leaks that we run into. We informed the customer they were going to need a new manifold to get the leak under control. They said, yeah, go ahead and do it. Got the new manifold, put it in, filled it back up with coolant, let the customer know we had run it through its paces and we weren't having any coolant leaks and that it was ready to go. The customer was really happy, mostly due to the fact that we were able to get it done in such a timely fashion because it is a work van and they need it to make money. If you have a work vehicle, we at 3D Auto Repair understand that you need that vehicle back on the road as fast as possible to be able to get back to work. So we would love to take a look at it for you if you're having an issue, be able to address it and get it done for you as quick as we can. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.